teacher in the years of personality, a major subject, actually gave us another group work. And since all of our classes this week were asynchronous, I've already divided our works within our group. Pero ante tinatamad ako.
Sorry. Reo Lalas. Rio Lalas Theater. Okay, good afternoon. Robin Shine.
Present, ma'am.
Baka may mga pangalan nyo Okay, Sacramento.
Next subject, panitik ng panlipunan.
Jamil.
Present po, sir.
Keith, should say.
Present po, sir.
Chime.
Present, sir.
Saksihan ng may akda. Ano ba yung karanasan ng may akda sa kanyang lipunan? Bakit niya naisulat itong akda na ito na nasaksihan niya mismo in reality at may ebidensya? Okay, may resibo, sabi ni Lenny Robredo na ito. At yan yung sinasabi ng realismo upang ipakita sa atin yung realidad na mismong nangyayari sa lipunan. And the discussion. Any question, my dear students? Bye!
Countries na?
Flags. Ano yan, by group? Sino mga kagrupo mo dyan?
Mga matatalino.
Eh, ba't ikaw gumagawa?
Yung part ko lang ginagawa ko.
Ay. Yeah, hello guys. Nagtuloy sila. Tapos, may pasok ako ng 5.
Camera dun.
Bakit?
Para magpa-verify na.
Ay. Verified naman kita siya. Ano kaya pa?
Verify na?
Oh, upgraded na siya.
Kaya, bigyan mo kami table.
Sabi ko, i-grab mo nga yung kami makina. Scroll ka lang naman. Ito. Time tawag ka.
Ay, hindi ako yun.
Time tawag ka. Hindi, ito.
I'm going to keep this. It's gonna be a necessity. Hello guys, so another college update. According to our teacher, at least one of our subject teachers or three, they said that we will have a asynchronous classes, which means they just left us some activities to do and medyo mahirap pero kakayanin. And another update, one of our subjects said that we will have a online class on our supposedly face-to-face sessions on Saturday. Ewan ko lang kung pati rin ba sa other subjects that will happen. And it's all because of the newly BS Psychology accreditation that is implemented just this year, 2024. So asynchronous would be quite often in our program since because of the accreditation that has been just implemented this school year. Ka-stress ng acad-year na to. So I plan to rest for a bit, no? After all the work that I've done with our activities and the readings. Eto, rest muna ako. Ako na pag-desisyonan ko na lang na lumabas. For sure talaga, kahit na may bagyo, magkakaroon pa rin kami ng classes. Unless i-cancel nila and gawin nilang online. Bagyo-proof kami eh. Bagyo-proof. College, bagyo-proof. Stigo, nakatayo.